In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks. Recurring tasks are tasks that happen again and again, such as weekly reports, monthly reviews, client follow-ups, team meetings, invoice checks, or content planning. Microsoft Planner can help you manage these tasks, but the exact setup depends on whether your Planner version includes the repeat feature. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365, or open your plan inside Microsoft Teams. Select the plan where you want to create your recurring task. Next, click Add Task under the correct bucket. Type the task name, such as Send Weekly Report, Review Monthly Budget, or Check Project Updates, then add a due date and assign the task to the person responsible. Now open the task card to add more details. You can include a description, checklist, priority, labels, attachments, and comments. For recurring work, a checklist is especially useful because it helps the person follow the same steps every time. If your planner has the repeat option, look for repeat inside the task details. Select how often the task should repeat, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Then save the task. After the task is completed, Planner can create the next occurrence based on the repeat schedule. If you do not see the repeat option, you can still manage recurring tasks manually. One simple method is to create a template task. Add the full description, checklist, labels, and standard instructions. Then copy the task whenever you need the next version. You can also create a bucket called recurring tasks. Keep your repeatable tasks there, then duplicate or recreate them for each week, month, or project cycle. For example, you might copy prepare weekly report every Monday and update the due date. Another option is to use Microsoft To Do or Outlook for personal reminders. If a recurring task is assigned to you, you may be able to manage reminders from your personal task list or calendar. For more advanced automation, you can use Power Automate. Create a flow that automatically creates a planner task on a schedule, such as every Monday morning or on the first day of each month. This is useful for teams that need consistent recurring tasks without manual copying. To keep everything organized, use clear task names with dates, such as weekly report, May 27th, or monthly review, June. This makes it easier to track completed work over time. That's how to use Microsoft Planner for recurring tasks with repeat settings, manual templates, or automation. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.